Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a mushroom chicken stew. Now, many of my followers, many of them are actually beginners in cooking. And actually one thing I want to tell them is that cooking is actually very simple. Sometimes if you have good ingredient, putting them together, you are almost for sure the end result is going to be taste really good. Okay, like today, Appa has some free range chicken. I don't cook a lot of, I don't use a lot of free range chicken today. Only probably about less than 200 grams, just a chicken thigh. Because I also have some leftover from last night, so I'm not using a lot of chicken. You can add more chicken if you like. And this is approximately 4 pieces of big shitake mushroom, soaked until it is softened. So I have a lot of shitake mushroom today. You can see how thick it is. Beautiful, yeah, beautiful. So sometimes you have to soak this for at least 1 to 2 hours until it is fully rehydrated and remove the middle stem, because the middle stem can be very chewy, and this is actually the mushroom water used to soak, and you won't be wasting it. Use this as a broth to add into the chicken stew later. We need a little bit of chopped garlic, a few slices of ginger, that's all, and a little bit of seasoning here and there. Okay, give it a little bit of cooking oil. Appa is a little bit sad today because I just heard that one of my close friends has passed away because of COVID-19. You all please stay safe at home, yeah? This pandemic is making life very difficult for many people. Oh, there are some, this is a very bad example. Apparently there are some little bit of water inside the wok just now. Okay, anyway, we want to saute the garlic and ginger. Saute until you really can smell the nice aroma coming out, releasing from the ginger and also the garlic, which is very fast. Then you can actually put in the chicken. You can marinate your chicken with a little bit of light soy sauce if you like, no problem. Already super fragrant. Shiitake mushroom. Oh, the shiitake mushroom is so huge. Do you know how to choose a good shiitake mushroom? Make sure the bottom part of the umbrella is more whitish in color. If it's very black, meaning it's kind of the cap is for too long already. Right. Now we can add in the mushroom broth. This is the mushroom water, and we can give it some seasoning. I'm going to start with a bit of oyster sauce. Approximately 1 tablespoon. A bit of light soya sauce. A little bit of salt, followed by some sugar, Shaoxing wine. Of course, if you don't take alcohol, just omit the Shaoxing wine part. Okay, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Few dashes of white pepper. If you prefer darker color, You can add a little bit of dark soy sauce right now. Let me add a little bit more hot water here because later it's going to reduce. Alright, so it is now already boiling. I'm going to close the lid and tune down to medium-low. Let it simmer for at least 15 minutes to 20 minutes, then it's done. Alright, this is after approximately 15 minutes. There isn't a lot of chicken, so today I don't cook for too long. You can see the broth has definitely reduced and as nicely absorbed into the chicken and also the mushroom. Actually later the mushroom will taste even better and even nicer than the chicken, trust me. Okay, you can do some final adjustment using salt and sugar. After that, it's basically done. Alright, so here's our very simple mushroom and chicken stew. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, you click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. You all please stay safe, yeah? Bye bye.